Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸 Remastered for your Grand Theft Auto FiveM game. With this you will bring your gaming experience to the next level, as this is one of the best free graphic modifications out there. So we're gonna do this on a FiveM server called 𝐑𝐞𝐽𝐸. If you're currently looking for a new server to play at, then come to 𝐑𝐞𝐽𝐸. I am also playing there. I will leave the link in the description. So without further ado, let's close up FiveM and get started with the tutorial. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hop over to the link in the description to my Discord, because the link that we will be visiting to download the files is on the Discord. You can also just type it over as you can see it. Feel free to join the Discord anyways. So hop over to Discord. We are here right now. You do need to get verified, so first in sub verification, don't forget that. And yeah, then we'll go to the links and resources. Here you will have GTA 5 graphics and the new post I posted today. So we're gonna visit this website right here. It's from the owner itself, racedmods.com. Let's click on it and let's open it up, let it load up, and we're gonna click on Grand Theft Auto. Hold on, click on Grand Theft Auto here, left down corner, and then you're gonna select the remastered version. 𝐑𝐞𝐽𝐸 Evolved is only for the single player GTA, and the 𝐑𝐞𝐽𝐸 Remastered comes with a FiveM package. So we're gonna go ahead and download that, and you can go ahead and download it right away. It will get downloaded. So let's wait for that. Next thing what you want to do is you want to open up your application folder of your FiveM. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. You're going to right click on it, open file location. Folder gets open, right click on it again and click on open file location again. And here we're going to go to the FiveM application data. Click on that, and here you'll have the folder that we need. Okay, our file is downloaded. So on the left side I have the FiveM application folder, and on the right side the file we downloaded. We're going to right click on it and extract with WinRAR. Let it load up. Okay, and then we're going to double click on it, and here you'll have the main package for Grand Theft Auto and FiveM. So you can choose first of all to open up this if you want. Also for Grand Theft Auto, we are going to go only for the FiveM version. You're going to open up optional add-ons, and I'm not going to show you how to do the ENB, only the graphics for FiveM. So we're going to go to the main package right here. It's going to have a folder called add-ons. We're just going to drag and drop it here in the application folder. It already has the files, but I'm just going to replace it, and we can go back. It is that easy. That was the main package, and then we can go to the optional ones, and we're going to open up the add-ons folder. And as you can see, I already have those files. I want brighter lights, as you saw in the video. I also want brighter nights, which you also saw in the video. Or no, it was day, you did not see that. I don't want enhanced motion blur, and you can actually see the comparison. So I don't want these. You can also have the weapon overall pack. And yeah, that's about it. So let's go ahead and start up FiveM. So FiveM is started. Like I mentioned before, it's going to be the 𝐑𝐞𝐽𝐸 roleplay server that we're playing on. Let's go ahead and let it load up. So yeah, we're back in the map. As you can see, the lights are bright, amazing. The metallic paint on the vehicle is amazing. Also the graphic modification throughout the map is very nice. Again, it's a light version. Impact very little to the FPS. I usually have 80, 89 is the max with my 3090, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. Please note the moments that you see something lag, that is currently my Windows system. Right after this video I am going to do a Windows reset, so this has no effect on NVR at all. So that's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also let me know what you think about it, and yeah, thanks again and goodbye.